You can use sections to cut through your model dynamically. A section can be created by opening the quad and left-clicking Define Section found under the Model tab. Then, selecting any solid face in your model will create the section parallel to the selected solid face. If you don't choose a surface to attach the section, a horizontal section plane will be created. A section can be toggled on and off by double left-clicking its handle, or by highlighting the section plane and using Clip Display from the quad. A section element has 3 grip edit points. Selecting the section's handle turns the grips on for editing. You can move the midpoint grip to reposition the section plane. If you left-click the arrow displayed near the midpoint grip, you will flip the clipping direction of the section.